How to fix iPhone stuck in home critical alerts. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix iPhone stuck on home critical alerts. Now before we begin, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now let's dive right into it. So the first step that you will need to do is, if you're stuck in home critical alerts and you can't do anything, force restart your iPhone. So to force restart, first press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, and press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. When it appears, simply release the button. After that, your iPhone will force restart, and after that the problem should be fixed. Now, if the issue still persists, what you might want to do is disable critical alerts. To do that, you will need to first head over to your settings. So locate your settings app and then open it up. And after you're on your settings app, you'll need to head over to notifications. So scroll down until you see notifications and then open it up. After you're on notifications, you'll need to select Home app from the list. So locate the Home app right here. This is the app. Open it up. And there you'll find critical alerts. So make sure to toggle this button off. After you've toggled the button off, you won't be getting the critical alerts anymore. And that's basically it. That's how you fix iPhone stuck on home critical alerts. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.